Oh my god, I look so weird without my eyebrows. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivana and today, as you can tell, we're going to do our eyebrows. I look so weird without my eyebrows. The reason why I've chose this theme for today is I wanted to show you step by step how to achieve a natural eyebrow. And guys, if you wanted to achieve a natural eyebrow, you're not going to pull a lines, but you are rather going to make a small strokes to imitate the hair of your eyebrows, because your eyebrows are these little hairs. And if you want to learn how to create a natural eyebrow, you came to the right place. So the first step that we're going to do is to place our hairs with some clear eyebrow gel, and this one is from Makeup Factory and it has this little cute brush, and it will also help me to brush my hairs with this brush. If you don't have this, then you can also just use a regular spoolie. I'm basically just brushing them a little bit upwards. Which product to use when it comes to eyebrows? Obviously today we have gels, powders, pencils, but my favorite way to create an eyebrow is to actually use a brush. This one it's really actually all it's from Makeup Forever. This one is from MAC Cosmetics and it's basically small eyeliner brush. Both of them are so precise, and most of the time you will see people using these angle brushes, and there's nothing wrong with them. It's just that if you want to be like super precise and to create a little hairs, then these brushes I believe will be better choice. And also I have to mention this product right here. It's from Wonder 2 Cosmetics. These gels, once you put them on your eyebrows, they stay, they won't move, like I don't know for how long but you can swim, it doesn't matter, it will stay. The formula, it's really long lasting. That's why I love them so much. The main difference is I don't wanna create my eyebrow shape by pulling the line, but rather just pulling a little strokes that will give me the eyebrow shape. So let's go. Just going upwards, not like this, but like this. Just filling in this small areas that I'm missing hairs. And if needed, just brush your hairs up again. And see, I miss this part right here. Next, let's move on to this part right here. And obviously I miss hairs. And I basically have no eyebrows right here. Maybe it's because I used to bleach them when I was blonde. When it comes to this part up here, I want to brush my hairs down, and this way I can create again hairs. And I want to brush them again to see what's happening, and it's already better. So I have to create this missing part of my eyebrow, and again I won't just going by filling it in, but just see, making a stroke. And as I move to the tail of my eyebrow, And I'm checking the whole time, like, what have I missed? And this will look so much better in the end when cleaning the eyebrow with the concealer. If you went too harsh on your eyebrow, just clean it a little bit. I know it takes time, but it's worth it. Again, I miss some hairs here. If I messed up anything, I will clean it later with the concealer. Next step will be to clean our eyebrows with some concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in a shade light. And for this, I will be using a flat brush. Just dab some concealer in it and just get rid of any excess. See? Now we are pulling the line. Not with your product. Please do use your concealer. You will get such a much more soft finish. And at this point, I have to be really careful to not have too many concealer on my brush. Otherwise, I don't care if my eyeshadow is not here, but okay. Now this part. Eyebrow, and this is no eyebrow. See the difference? So you guys, this is it. I've just placed some eyeshadow underneath my eyebrows, and this is it. So if you want to achieve the natural eyebrow look, then follow these steps and don't forget to practice, and practice will make it perfect. It's the only way. Like, even I, back then, when I remember like years ago how I did my eyebrows, it wasn't good. It really wasn't good at all. But you know, for me, as for everybody else, it takes practice. So thank you for being here. For the next video, I was thinking about doing a basic blending eyeshadow technique, like how to blend two eyeshadows together, so it will be easier for you to do your own makeup. And again, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you as always next time. Bye.